Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys things that you all must have for attending a wedding. And this video is gonna have four categories. First being outfit, second being shoes, third being bags, and fourth being jewelry. So without wasting any much time, let's get started. With regards to our first category being outfit, मैं assume कर रही हूँ कि ये सबके wardrobe में होगा ही होगा, and it is a golden color blouse. To have a golden color blouse in your wardrobe is a must have. Why? Because it can make you look glam with any outfit. You can make multiple uses of it. You can create your own Indo-Western style. You can use it with your plain sari. And if you have a golden blouse like mine, which is having these kind of embroidery work, it is great because any plain sari can go with this blouse and it will it will give a designer look to your outfit, and it's a must have in your wardrobe. If you don't have, you can obviously get it one, but if you don't mind, if you are like it's okay, I'll wear my own sari blouses, then also it's fine. It's up to you. It's just a video that I am giving suggestions that I like, and it's not like that if I am having it you should also have it. It's obviously your choice to have whatever you want. This kind of blouse is easily available at any ready-made blouse store, and you can obviously customize it as well. I also own a customized golden blouse, but I'm unable to find it now, hence I showed you this one. This is a ready-made blouse and it is very inexpensive. You can get it, and golden blouse is a must have because you can obviously make multiple uses of it and it looks great during wedding season. So gold is such a color that helps you enhance. So I would highly recommend you all to at least have one golden blouse in your wardrobe, and it's a very must have for this wedding season. After having a one golden blouse, it's time for sari, and I guess everyone should have one plain sari in their wardrobe because plain saris are currently in trend. My sari has this kind of golden border to it so that it matches to my blouse. But if you have a plain sari, plain matlab ekdam plain, you can wear it with a black t-shirt blouse which is in trend right now. You can also create your own ready to wear sari, and these saris are currently so in trend. So plain saris are currently so in trend that I'm seeing almost everyone wearing a plain sari with a designer blouse upon which they wear a belt, and this is a kind of belt that you can actually wear on your sari. So it looks very graceful, very new, very modern in this kind of wedding season. In this year, I have seen many people wearing these kinds of belts on their sari. I'll insert some pictures over here so you can have a look on what I am talking about, and these are currently so in trend. You can obviously get these in many other colors. You can get this in golden, silver, red, basis on what sari color you have. And this is a very must have for this wedding season because it's so in trend. I'm seeing almost everyone wearing this, and it's a must buy. Coming to the second category, which is bag, and for bags I have two bags. One is a sling bag and one is a handbag, very wedding appropriate. So for wedding series I prefer using a sling bag, and these kind of clutches are very much in trend. These clutches are a little bit expensive, but they look very classy on any Indian attire. I guess it is such a small bag, it looks very chic, it is very gold. I prefer using a sling bag. Why? Because it is very small and easy to access. I just keep my phone inside and sanitizer these days, and that's it. Ek tissue paper, ek do tissue paper, and that's it. This bag is so much comfortable to wear, and also it's all gold, so it goes with every outfit. You can also wear it with a silver outfit since this has a creamish silver kind of detailing. And I would highly recommend everyone to have at least one golden sling bag so that they can wear with their Indian outfits, and it's a must have. And for second bag is a shoulder bag. Again, it is a very wedding appropriate. So it has all the silver and gold detailing, and obviously this will also go with every outfit. These kinds of bags are especially for our moms because they like to carry such bags, bade bags. They can keep their wallets, they can keep their phones, they can keep their some chota mota item, ghar ka, chavis and keys. everything can fit in this kind of bag, and I would highly recommend you have to at least one golden bag, either sling or in handbag, but you should at least have one golden bag in your wardrobe so that you can anytime go and carry it with your Indian outfits. For our third category being shoes, for shoes I have again two options for you guys. One is a sandal kind of golden color sandal, which you can also wear it with any outfit. Gold is such a color that you can carry with any of your outfits, and this is a sandal shape shoes I mean sandal, and it has again gold and bronze detailing over here. It is very easy, very comfortable since it has a block heel. It is very comfortable. Heels जो नीचे से ऐसा लॉन्ग रहते हैं, आगे से it is very kind of stilettos जो होते हैं, it is very uncomfortable. So I prefer wearing these kind of block heels, which again have some kind of height to balance my foot, and this is very comfortable for attending any weddings. And I would highly recommend you, if you are a person like me and if you want to be comfortable in your Indian outfits, that you should definitely go for this kind of heel. You can also wear stilettos. I do own stilettos as well, but trust me, it pains like hell. After wearing for 15 to 20 minutes, your leg will start hurting and it's very uncomfortable. फिर आपका ध्यान ना वो shoes पे ही रहता है. So I would prefer that you should again be very comfortable when you're choosing your shoes. And the second option that I have is a belly kind of shoes, and this is my favorite. I wear this so many times. It has a very छोटा सा heel, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है. I guess 2 या 3 इंच का ही heel है, and it looks so damn. It has silver color stones over here and it looks very classy. You can wear it again with any outfit since it's gold and silver mix. It can go with all the outfits, and this is again a must buy from my end. And our last and final category for this video is jewelry, and for jewelry I again have many options for you guys. First we'll start off with the earrings, and the very first earring that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is you all have already seen in my previous videos, and I've got many compliments for that on my Insta DMs, and here are they. These are very subtle golden kind of earrings. I mean, these kind of earrings are very essential for in your wardrobe because golden is such a color. Again, I'm repeating that it can go with any outfit. So having a golden color earring is a must have, and obviously like golden earrings more than silver earrings. I don't wear silver earrings much, but I like gold earrings, and these are the earrings that I have worn in my last video. And इसके साथ I have purchased a मांग टीका. This was purchased separately, but ये ना match हो गया इसके साथ. So you can see ये earring है और ये मांग टीका है, तो ना ये same दिखता है. Can you see that? तो मैंने इसके लिए ये वाला मांग टीका खरीदा था, ये अलग से खरीदा था, बट ये इसके साथ मैच हो रहा था. सो आई पेयर इट विद दिस अगेन. तो ये भी मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में पहना था. एंड इफ यू हैवंट वॉच्ड माय लास्ट वीडियो ऑन वेडिंग गेस्ट मेकअप लुक, प्लीज आई insert a card over here and you can definitely go and check that out. So this was first kind of earring that I like. Next earring that I obviously love is a झुमका kind of, but actually वो झुमका नहीं है, उसमें से layers है झुमका के. Can you see? It looks so pretty when you wear these kinds of earring. It looks very wedding appropriate, and I love to wear such kind of dainty earrings जो classy भी लगे, जो traditional भी लगे, and it looks very beautiful once you wear it. So this was the second kind of earring. For ring, I only have this ring that goes with everything. This is a maroon and green color ring. बड़ा है ये ring काफ़ी, but it looks very classy when you wear it. See, it looks so beautiful. I guess I'm gonna wear this in my अभी थोड़ा बहुत जो वीडियो बचा है उसमें, but it looks very beautiful, very classy. And ये rings ना, it just adds a traditional touch to your outfit. ऐसा rings ना hardly अभी तो बहुत जगह मिलता है, but पहले जब मैंने लिया था ना वो बहुत मुश्किल से मिल रहा था. तो अभी यू कैन फाइंड इट एनी वेयर. यू कैन टेल देम कि वो बड़ा वाला रिंग चाहिए विद अ राउंड कट, तो वो लोग देंगे आपको. So these kind of rings are very in trend these days, and if you like big rings like this, then you should definitely try this one out. So final thing that I'm going to be showing in this video is necklaces, and I am a kind of person that I don't like wearing necklaces. I only wear a chain and that's it. I don't like wearing heavy necklaces on my outfits. I prefer wearing heavy earrings, heavy mantika, but I don't like to wear necklace. And this necklace is of my mom, so I thought why not I'll show it to you guys. So this is a silver necklace. So ये वाले वीडियो में मैंने कुछ सिल्वर नहीं दिखाया था ज़्यादा, तो I thought why not I show you this silver neck piece that is very dainty, very classy and moms पे तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इसके साथ matching earrings भी है, so ये पूरा set आता है. So this is one necklace that is very much if you want you should have it in your wardrobe, because silver भी ऐसा ही एक कलर है जो आपके wedding appropriate है. Any sarees, any ब्लाउज में सिल्वर तो होता ही है, either gold either silver जो भी होता है. तो I have silver वाला वो एक neck. So this is the second necklace that you should have it in your wardrobe. This is golden color. This is again my mom's and it looks very beautiful while you wear it. It is a choker kind of necklace, so it fits you perfectly. And ये थोड़ा सा ना ऐसे अलग है, तो it gives that ट्रेडिशनल टच टू योर आउटफिट एंड इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. इसके साथ भी इयरिंग्स का मैचिंग सेट आता है, तो यू कैन वेयर दैट. आई डोंट लाइक वेयरिंग नेकलेसेस, बट आई शोड यू इन दिस वीडियो बिकॉज इफ एनी मॉम्स आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो देन इट्स highly recommend you all to at least go for a silver neck pieces or a golden neck pieces. It looks so beautiful in your traditional outfit. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and these are all the things that I would prefer as a wedding guest to have in my wardrobe. So I would recommend you all to at least own such basic things in your wardrobe so that you are not in any kind of stress कि इसके साथ मैं क्या पहनूं, क्या लूँ. Golden and silvers are must haves in your wardrobe, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.